name's Adrian Cartland. I'm the principal of Cartland Law, and today I'm going to be talking about business structures, and in particular the business structure of a hobby. Now I've got this as business structure number 0 because it really isn't a business structure. It is, you are not running a business. So the quick question is how do you know when you're running a business and when you're not? So one, are you intending to make a profit? So there is a very simple but cynical rule rule of thumb that the tax office might apply, and that is if you are going to make a profit, you're more likely to be running a business, and if you're making losses, then you might not be. Now, more technically, the test is, are you running something in a business-like manner? So if you are stamp collecting or selling model train parts or running a sporting club, either of these things could be done as a hobby or as a business. Now, if you are doing something that involves, that would only be done for making money, say you're doing some cleaning or you're driving Ubers on the weekend, those are going to be a business, and the income that you earn will be taxable. But money that you make from a hobby, small amounts, will not be taxable. So one advantage is that you don't need to worry about paying tax. You don't need to worry about other reporting. You don't need an ABN. You don't need a tax file number. You don't need to declare your income. And so you don't get to claim input tax credits. You don't get to claim any losses. So there are a bunch of rules called the non-commercial loss rules. And if you're not making profits, or you doesn't look like to be making profits, you're not having large enough income, you're not using sufficient assets in the business, or you don't have you're not running things in a business-like manner, it might be the case that you're not running a business at all, and if you make losses, then you can't offset them against other income. That is to say, there are a lot of people who came up with businesses that they were running that say they're stamp collecting or some kind of small business somewhere that makes a small amount of money but then generates a lot of losses, and then they claim that against their tax. Now, unfortunately, you can't do that. So, and if you're not running a business, or you're not running a commercial business, you certainly can't offset those losses. So, do you need a company, a trust, or something else? Well, not really. If you're running something that's non-for-profit, you might want to consider a non-profit structure. So if you are running a sporting club, maybe you should incorporate the association, or maybe have some unincorporated association with some set of rules. If you're running a charity, maybe you should formalize those. If you're running a hobby, something you make a small amount of money, you will have the risk in your own name. So if you create some something negligent, you're teaching soccer and you're not paying attention and someone injures themselves, you will be at risk. Obviously, you need to take out personal insurance. But hobby, not a business structure. You're not running a business, no reporting, no income, no tax, no losses, maybe no worries. Thank you. I'm Adrian Cartland, Principal of Cartland Law.